In this video, I will share with you 5 real grant opportunities that you can apply for right now. And what's great about these grants is that most of them take less than 20 minutes to apply. It's 100% free and no business is required. And what's even better is that one of these grants is a global opportunity, which means that anyone from any country across the world can apply. And out of the hundreds of grants that I've shared on this channel, I must say that these are the top 5 best beginner-friendly grants that you can apply for right now. And I recommend you apply to these grants as soon as you can because they do have the right to close the grant application at any time.
The first grant we have is Alicia's 2,500 AI Impact Grant. And so she is giving away $2,500 to an action taker that is ready to use AI. And so the deadline to apply to this grant is January 15th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. When you're ready to apply, all you have to do is click this button and it'll take you straight to the application. And so you can use the $2,500 to invest in AI tools, training, or marketing systems to accelerate your vision forward. And so this grant will help you stop sitting on your AI potential by giving you the push and resources to finally take action and build your AI-powered business. You'll also get access to Alicia's proven AI strategies that'll help you use artificial intelligence into a client-generating and profit-driving asset. And what's even better is that the application is fast, simple, and free to apply. There's no credit checks, no long forms, just your vision and a desire to harness AI for growth. To submit the grant application, you'll enter your full name, email, phone number, as well as your IG handle. Then you'll answer a few questions about your business, like do you currently own a business? And if so, what year was your business established? Don't worry about these questions if you don't have a business, because she states on the website you do qualify even if you don't have a business. And so what I would recommend is that you spend the most amount of time on really answering thoughtfully this question right here. What will you use the grant for? And I would personally recommend, from going through hundreds of grant applications, is that you want to include a clear financial breakdown on how you plan on spending a significant portion of the money, specifically on AI tools and resources, whether that's hiring an AI coach or paying a consultant to integrate AI workflows. I recommend you include the AI services that will help you grow your business. And so once the application is filled out, you're going to click Submit My Application and then wait to hear back from Alicia's team. The second grant we have is the Amber Grant, and this is perfect for new businesses. So yes, our monthly $10,000 startup grant was designed for women just like you. We give this grant to pre-revenue businesses as well as businesses that have earned less than $10,000 in revenue. So you don't even need to have a business yet to get $10,000 for your business. And both nonprofit and for-profit woman-owned organizations can apply to this grant. And so the deadline for this grant is the last day of each month at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And to be one of the grant winners, you truly just need to stand out in 3 areas. First is your story. They're looking for qualities like passion, business savvy, and vision. Women who believe in what they're doing tend to make us believers too. Secondly, you need to have plans for growing or starting your business. They're not looking for a formal business plan, just some explanation of how you'll achieve business success. It might include some mention of your market, your team, and the challenges you still face. And lastly, they want to see clear plans for the grant money. Be as detailed as you can. And so once you're ready to apply, you'll scroll back up and click Apply Now. It'll take you to this page right here. We'll ask you to tell them about you and your business by sharing your full name, your email, as well as any social media pages. Then it'll go to 2 important questions. Tell us about your business or business idea, and tell us what you would do with the money if awarded a grant. And so what I would personally recommend is that you do use AI to assist you in making sure you have the best response possible. And so no matter what area you need help with when it comes to grant writing, AI can assist you. If you have any questions or doubts about the Amber Grant and whether or not it's legit, I recommend you go through the previous grant winners. You can see they've given out $10,000 to women from all different backgrounds. Even better, you can read their profiles to see if you share a similar story.
Let me know what type of business you have in the comments below so I can look out for those grants.
Next, we have the $1,000 Business Freedom Grant. This grant is here to help everyday people become founders and get funded. And if you see someone that looks familiar, it is me, as this is my $1,000 grant that I now give away every 6 months. The goal of this grant is to help you turn your vision into reality. And to get some extra bonus points for your grant application, it is recommended that you join the Grant House, which you can do for free. Hopping back to the application is very simple. It's just going to ask you basic information like your name, email, and age. And then it'll ask you 3 short response questions. What is your business idea? How would your business idea help people? And if you were to win the $1,000 grant, what would you do with the money? And so once you're done filling out the application, you'll hit the submit button at the bottom of the page. The next grant we have is Coach K Legacy Christmas Grant, and it's free to enter. Coach K is gifting $1,000 this Christmas season to help entrepreneurs and business owners grow their businesses. And it only takes just a few minutes to apply. Once you're ready, you're going to hit the apply now for free button. And so it's going to ask you for your full name, your email, as well as your phone number and IG handle. Once you fill that information in, it's then going to ask you for your business industry, current monthly revenue, and what will you use the grant for. I do recommend you being very intentional. As you see, this is a common question across the grant applications. I would recommend is that you tailor your response to what the grant sponsors are specifically looking for. In this case, it would be what Coach K is looking for. And so you want to talk about how you plan on stepping into the new year with more confidence because of this grant. And so once you do that, you're then going to hit submit my application and wait for Coach K to get back to you. And then lastly, we have the $1,000 Nehemiah Davis Greatness Grant. He is giving away $2,500 to startup entrepreneurs and business owners that are looking for a fresh start. And so included with the Greatness Grant is financial support. You'll be able to get the funding you need to launch or grow your business. You'll also get access to mentorship, where you'll gain the insights and advice from Nehemiah Davis himself. You'll also be able to join a network of like-minded entrepreneurs. And so it's important that you apply to this grant by December 15th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so once you're ready to apply, you're going to click the button right here, and it's going to take you straight to the application, where it's going to ask you to fill out information about you and your business. And most importantly, to answer the question, what will you use the grant funds for? Once everything looks good, you're going to hit the red button that says submit my application. And so in a matter of a few minutes, you can apply to at least one of these grants. And this is really good money that you can use to start and grow your business.
And you don't want to miss your chance, especially with these grants, because you can use most of them on any area of your business, whether that's for marketing, hiring new employees, or getting new equipment. These grants are amazing opportunities that'll help you take action and start your new business. And make sure to check out the video right here so the grant money you win will have a new home.